The Rio Bosque Wetlands are a city park managed by the University of Texas at El Paso. Nestled against the United States-Mexico border along the Rio Grande, this park was made possible by a multi-agency partnership to re-establish a wetland, which are at one point an abundant ecosystem type but are now a rarity in these borderlands. Water sources for the wetland include the Rio Grande, local well water, and treated wastewater that create a home for all kinds of wildlife. And I always enjoy seeing many of the 260 bird species on my visits. Trails are flat, well groomed, and suitable for all ages. Exploring the trails will lead you through the marshy areas, and benches are provided throughout where you can sit and enjoy the sounds of nature. Not to be outdone, the wildflowers put on quite a show. And of course, there are plenty of photographic opportunities out here. So if you're in the area, visit the bosque and enjoy nature as it used to be. For more information, visit the link in the description below.